So I'm going to show you guys a little something real quick. Earlier I had done my nails and I kind of messed this up. I don't know if you can see it. One of the yellow honeycombs is messed up, and this was an extra piece, and this has already been 15 minutes that I've had them on. So what you can do, especially with these little designs, glitters, is you can fix it. There, I just fixed the little error I made. Kind of put a little bit of your body heat on it and into it, and just, you know, you can trim it off with the orange stick, and that is fixed, and you'll see that it's seamless. You can't even tell, but I could tell because I'm picky. So yeah, there, I fixed that little yellow honeycomb that was showing a little bit of my natural nail. I fixed it, so I'm happy about that. And you just go around fixing the little extras, making sure none of it stays on your skin, using the orange stick to push it back, the file to take off the overhang. See here, overhang, file in one direction, and I don't know, just press it into your nail like if you would to set it in there. Like I said, they're 95% dry, so you know your body heat will help mend the rest of it to the nail. But since you're there, just give your nails a little extra love and push them into that. So there you go, it's fixed, that little honeycomb there. All right, so there's one little tip. It's easy, guys, super easy to do. Thanks for watching.